This tutorial will walk you through reporting a problem or submitting a request for work to the Facilities and Campus Development Department. Start by clicking Report Problem, and this will launch our work request form. The Requested By field will automatically populate with your BCIT employee ID number. Requester's phone number may or may not populate, but you can simply type your phone number in if you wish. The If Access Required Contact field is there for you to provide an alternate contact that could allow the craftsperson access to the physical space. This is not a mandatory field. In the Location section, please enter the location of the problem that you're reporting. So hover your mouse in the Building field and you can click the ellipses button to select the building from a list. You can either scroll down to find the building that you're looking for, or you can start typing in the filter field, hit enter, that will filter the list for you. Do the same for the floor code, select the appropriate floor for the problem. You can either enter the room code in the same way, or you can click the drawing button, and this will allow you to select the location directly from the floor plan. So if I'm reporting a problem, maybe a burnt out light in a hallway, for example, but I don't actually know that the hallway is room number 102, I can look at the floor plan and select it. Describe the location. This is just an additional description field to help the craftsperson locate the problem. So I may say hallway near washroom. The equipment code field is there if you are reporting a problem on a specific BCIT asset. It's rare that this is actually filled in, but you certainly can if you wish by selecting the appropriate asset from list. For the type of problem, select the drop-down arrow and choose the problem type from the list. Because in this example, we're reporting a light out, I'll select electrical. And I can see the description of that problem appears below the field as well. In the description field, of course, type the description of the problem here. Light burnt out. Now you can scroll down, and at this point, if you are finished, simply click the Submit button. Another option you have here is to add documents. If I click that, the system will allow me to upload up to 4 documents to this request. And that could be a photo of the problem, it might be an Excel spreadsheet, a PDF, or a Word document. You can upload anything you wish here. So I'll click this up arrow to check in a document, and then you simply browse to the location where that document that you wish to attach is saved on your computer. Let's select a photo, click Open, click OK. And now that photo is attached to this work request. Click OK again, and you are finished. Simply click Submit. After clicking Submit, your work request ID will appear at the top of your screen. Click OK. Now you can either submit another request for work or simply log out. Thank you for watching.